Sir, it actually played out well because when you be in that journey of UPSC, so you are you are very limited to one perspective. You don't know what is corporate. I mean, probably it's not. We are not that
Hmm.
acquainted with the word corporate
Of
also.
course.
And sir, I actually understood the cost benefit of it. क्योंकि हम पूरा साल अगर if you are doing the same thing, for me it was like कि I've put everything और
Hmm.
बहुत ज़्यादा monotonous हो रहा था. Everything was like it wasn't giving me the kind of kick that we think. कि starting में it looks great and I was doing good कि अच्छी बात है I have a routine and I'm following everything, but now it became like कि अब क्या करूँ मैं, everything I've done in my capacity. So then I've realized that it's important to like know what I am interested into. So I'm interested in doing good work for the public service work. So it can be done by any job or anything that I want. ऐसा नहीं है कि यूपीएससी ही क्लियर होना
Hmm.
चाहिए. Honestly, it was very difficult for me because I was
Hmm.
just a fresher also. मतलब after college, I just landed into this opportunity. So I learned, I saw other resume also, then I've understood where I can put more work. So
Thank you so much, Sakshi, for joining in, and many congratulations for the project associate role at People.
thank you so much, sir.
So, how does it feel like finally landing with a role after so much of trials and tribulations?
Yes, it was a tough journey probably because after the first attempt, I was like, where to go, where to land. But hopefully, I got to know about rebounds, and through that, I landed up the opportunity. So it was still, I was thinking the feeling that I got the job within 3 months probably. So yeah, it is still a good feeling.
Nice, excellent. Let's talk more about this role and sort of Sakshi, how did you landed into it?
Yes,
So,
sir.
I think you were part of our October 2025 cohort, right?
Yes, sir. I was a part
So,
of it.
cool. So, let's talk about that journey from October 2025 to April 2026. How has
Yes.
this journey been?
Sir, actually, I was a part of October, but I joined pretty late. Like I
Mhm.
joined on November 8th, 8th of November. I joined.
Okay.
Then I got to know about like मुझे पता चला कि there were three pillars to it, and then
Mhm.
I studied about all of them.
Mhm.
And my like my close connection went to the public policy thing.
Okay.
And then मैंने
Mhm.
उसी तरीके से roles I tried to filter out roles with respect to public policy. And then जो भी आप opportunities whatever you shared on the group which was our internal community, I uh, read about the role also जो मुझे लगा कि which would be helpful और जिससे growth ज़्यादा होगी. To that only I targeted. मतलब मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा rigorously apply नहीं किया, as you also said sometimes कि don't be just कि apply to every role. तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा टारगेटेड तरीके से आई थॉट कि अच्छा दिस रोल वुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर मी, सो दैट आई अप्लाइड. और होप आई मीन आई अप्लाइड टू 2-3 roles
Mhm.
different organizations में and people was one of them. So then I
Okay. So,
got
I think it
in.
was a battle of patience for you,
Yes,
Sakshi.
sir. Yes, sir, it was. Uh,
So, when was it that we floated this role for the first time as part of our internal collaborations? Maybe
sir, it was,
sometime in January?
no, sir, it was in December actually.
It was that back. So,
Uh,
December is when we float the role and we say that, look, we have internally collaborated with people. Then,
yes, sir.
when does people reach out to you?
So it was in December that I joined. I applied for the role. Then on January, it was that they mailed me about, कि, okay, you got selected for the interview. So I got selected for the interview. But still, they stopped reaching out. I mean, I wasn't aware of it. Then then March came, and then from March till April, वो process continue रही. So it was a month of silence because I couldn't understand what was happening. But then they reached out. So it was a patience battle, that, as you put it. So it was that
Great.
kind of experience.
Uh, and I think to our viewers, I want to say when you apply for roles, be patient.
Yes, sir.
Hiring, especially on the non-profit side, might take time to materialize for various
Yes, sir.
reasons, right? And Sakshi is one prime example of it. And people, the organization is sort of, the example of it. Uh, like Sakshi was saying, so Sakshi, you applied in December and you got an offer in April, right? Start of
Yes, sir.
April. So that means more or less 3.5 months of process itself, right?
Yes, sir. True.
Great. So let's just talk through this journey of the process. So, this role, just for our viewers, Sakshi guys is based out of MP. This role is based out of Bhopal. So
Yes,
all the
sir.
more works for Sakshi because, near to home, right? Who would
Yes,
not
sir.
like to be based out of, who would not like to be not based out of, near
Yes,
to your
that is.
hometown and, work in such roles. Just very quickly take us through this journey. How was it in terms of the process, rounds, and what made you sort of stick to it and complete the process or go through the process into it?
Yes, sir. So, sir, when the application came that okay, you got selected, your resume got selected. After that, there was the assignment which they had given you have to complete within 2 days, which was a part. It wasn't the interview round. It was the part of resume selection only.
Okay.
And वो assignment था, which was I have to complete within 48 hours. And along with that, I also have to give the technical test, which was based on English reasoning. Pretty simple, मतलब easy था, because I was a UPSC student, so it didn't took as a time to prepare for it. It was very basic questions. There were average का question and English, normal English थी that I
Mhm.
cleared. And after that, वो जो assignment था, they both were clubbed together. So based on that, I would have been selected for the round one, round two ऐसा. So technical test I cleared. I got the result that okay, you cleared the technical test. Now you can complete the assignment, which was to create the assignment for the students जो कि बच्चे रहेंगे उनको you have to create the presentation on animation. How will you teach them? How will you make it tech सेवाएं ताकि बच्चे थोड़ा relate कर पाए? So that was my presentation which I prepared within 2 days, and that was it. After that, shall I go through the
Yeah,
round
of
one, round?
course, of course, of course.
Okay.
Just in very
So
brief, how the process was.
yes, sir. So after that, for the round one, I got the interview. I got the result that okay, you've been selected for it. In 3rd of March, I got the result. क्योंकि you got selected. First round हुआ. After that, on first round was based on it was very situational questions and resume ke through the manager asked me the questions, and for the second round it was more of what they wanted to see. So unka jo pedagogical improvement hai, which was their core philosophy, on that they have asked me questions कि आप एक PowerPoint presentation बनाए with respect to the scratch loop. So I've studied about what is scratch. For me it was new thing, I didn't know about it, and then I prepared the presentation. That was the second round, and second round. Third round was with the senior director, which was optional. So वो हुआ, and then I got the offer letter. मतलब after
What do you mean by optional?
it was written that it is not necessary that the director will take the interview. If they like the
Got it.
candidate or they want to inquire more, then they'll go. So
Got it.
the
Got it.
interviewer himself informed me that this was the optional round, which is round three, which was the
Got it.
last one.
Got it. Brilliant. So it's like a CV shortlist, then a simple qualifying round, then an assessment round, and then 2 rounds of interview.
Yes, sir. And so you asked me what made me to stick to this role. So honestly, there wasn't this key stick hona hi hai. But since we don't have so many options ki we can go pivot to this or that. So वो stick मतलब जैसे if I got the email, so I know कि okay round two के लिए prepare करना है. So it was like ongoing. मतलब कहीं पे भी I didn't left the process. I followed up. The as you say कि you have to follow up. So that what I did. Probably I also thought to give other exams. I tried, but then I realized ki it is a different ball game to enter into
We'll,
that
we'll
thing.
focus into exams, etc. in a bit.
Yes,
First,
yes,
let's talk a little bit more about rebounds.
yes, sir.
Uh, cohort, cohort, uh, dynamics,
Yes,
and how did they play out for you? Cohort content, program content, how did it play out for you? What are some of the things which worked out for you? What are some of the things which might not have worked out for you? Your peers, your groups, activities, white paper, how did
yes, sir.
all of it sort of came together at the end,
Yes.
which may have helped you in terms of becoming a better professional from a policy perspective.
So
So
sure,
how
sir,
did,
like that.
yeah, of course, how did all of it play out for you?
Sir, it actually played out well because when you be in that journey of UPSC, so you are very, matlab, you are very limited to one perspective. You don't know what is corporate. I mean, probably it's not. We are not that
Mm,
acquainted with the word corporate
of
also.
course.
So, when I joined the course, at that time I got to know. I mean, before joining also, I saw some of your master classes where which was for free or आप Zoom पे you conduct that
Mm,
session
mm,
as well. So, थोड़ा बहुत I took the idea,
mm,
and after that, after enrolling into it, I have realized ki it is not just what I know, it is how I can present it, so that the recruiter or the interviewer, whoever is taking the interview, they know or they get the hold of it. So that is what I've understood, that visibility is very important, and I have to be visible in a way which the recruiter or the interviewer wants. So, with respect to the resume, I was very new to it. So, you had this session. Jigyasu sir takes the session of resume.
mm,
So that
mm.
I took, and I curated my resume. मतलब दो तीन बार it was like sir said कि अच्छा नहीं है, you have to make it again and again. So I used to understand कि कहाँ पे, because honestly it was very difficult for me, because I was
Mm.
just a fresher also. मतलब after college I just landed into this opportunity. So I learned, I saw other resume also, then I've understood where I can put more work. So as you said that if you don't have that kind of experience, you can play on your skills and everything. So I took the feedback and I tried to curate with respect to my strengths. So that is what I did. And with respect to classes, what I have understood is we had, you used to conduct that group discussion also, so that I was a part of it. I used to take part. In the starting I used to avoid that, but then I started to understand that it is important. So we had this group GD discussions, which I did. Then after that, we also had a personal group of four of our friends where we used to
For the white
practice.
paper.
No, sir, that was a
No, acha.
different thing.
Okay.
That also I'll come later. But
Mhm.
this one for with respect to कि खुद ही practice करेंगे कि अगर interviewer बन के like
Nice,
guesstimate के
nice,
questions
nice.
and everything.
And
So
these, the group people, did you find, like, did you know them before rebounds or आपको
no, no,
rebounds,
sir.
acha, within the rebounds cohort only you discovered
Yes,
some
sir.
like-minded people to sort of work?
Yes,
Okay,
sir. They
great.
were serious candidates. So we had informal group, but wo chota rebounds, it had become chota rebounds because it was around 20, 40 students there. So it is difficult to conduct sessions. So for that, there were I think two, three candidates who reached out that agar aapko personal group banana hai. So because of that, we were four people, and for all of them were UPSC candidates, pre UPSC candidates. So that was how I met them. But I also had many people who were a part of the cohort, और वो भी joined होते थे उसमें. So it was that kind of amalgamation.
Oh, nice, nice. Sounds
And so
good.
with respect to white paper, we had
But
collaborated.
before we go to white paper, Sakshi, just talk about how did this group help you? You said that you used to talk, prepare, uh, like how did it help you, grow, develop, and the multiple aspects, which people sort of talk about, discuss. उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए. Like, how did this group
Yes,
help
sir.
you?
So first thing, it basically eliminated the fear of being कि मेरे साथ ही सब कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है. So when we
Mm-hmm.
discuss a lot with other people who are in the same road, even they are the ones who are still into the race, like they are giving UPSC also, still preparing. So it gives the kind of motivation also कि if they can do it, I can also do it. So it was, so honestly it helped me on internal levels that okay ऐसा नहीं है कि I am the one who is lonely here or I am not able to understand. So they used to tell me कि you are very very तुम बहुत छोटी हो अभी, you are thinking so much about everything. So I used to look like time is running. So I would say the first thing that helped me was this only, कि internal motivation. They were the ones whom I can go reach out and understand. Then we used to plan sessions कि हम guesstimate का आज ये वाला case study करेंगे. So we'll discuss at least हमारा 1 घंटे का सेशन हो जाता था वो भी
Ah,
after the class. It helps around 8 से 9 के बीच का यूजुअली होता था. So we used to discuss that as well. And apart from that, we used to like कभी कभी कॉल पे भी अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सब्जेक्ट से रिगार्डिंग, so we used to discuss that as well. तो इन दैट वे इट हेल्प. एंड कभी कभी रिज्यूमे वगैरह अगर हमें शेयर करना है, एक दूसरे से we can take the insights also कि you can do this or that better. So it in that way it helped me a lot.
Okay, okay, understood. Now let's talk about white paper. How was the journey for you when it comes to white paper?
So it was a good experience because white paper was something, as I used to think that it would be a very bulky exercise, although it was, but still we were 4 or 5 people, so हमने task को divide कर लिया था, अपना अपना टास्क कर रहे थे. Unfortunately, after March, I paused it because of my people organization interview and everything. But we'll resume it shortly. So it was a good experience at that time also क्योंकि जो भी हमने whatever we have discussed वो applied form में हो रहा था. And as I said, I was inclined more towards the public aspect, public policy aspect. So I took that white paper. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी जैसे जो भी हमने पढ़ा था वो अप्लाई ही हो रहा था, तो इट हेल्प्ड मी इन दैट वे. आई एंजॉयड डूइंग नेटिग्रिटीज, जो भी बहुत सारी चीजें आपने समझाई थी. सो दैट वाज अ वे कि इट आल्सो मेड मी मोर कॉन्फिडेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ आई कैन स्टिल लैंड इनटू दिस फील्ड, क्योंकि इट वाज अ वेरी डिफरेंट फील्ड फॉर मी. So that helped me. But now we'll resume white paper as well.
Great, great, Sakshi. Sounds good. And just for our viewers, talk a little bit about your UPSC journey as well, right? Because that is what connects everyone,
Yes, sir.
together. So, how was the UPSC journey for you? How long were you in, and what made you get out of it?
Yes, sir, sure. Sir, from my second or third year of college, I mean, I was diligently preparing for it. So I honestly, as we say, the ideal aspirant routine should look like. So probably it was mine as well. So after giving everything, I've given first attempt as well. So unfortunately, I couldn't clear it. So at that time, everyone in my family was saying you should sit for another attempt and
Mm-hmm.
everything. वो सब तो था ही, but I have realized on my own that honestly I've given 2 years and I was studying. I had given test series and I've done everything जो कि करना चाहिए, and still I couldn't clear it. So what else I can look for? So मैं ऐसे ही I was just scrolling through this website and I got to know about rebounds. So at that time also I was very skeptical to join it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean I took my time to July, August, September, like 3-4 months were there where I've made my mind ki what to do. So then I've realized that it's important to like know what I am interested into. So I'm interested in doing good work for the public service work. So it can be done by any job or anything that I want. ऐसा नहीं है कि यूपीएससी ही क्लियर होना चाहिए. And sir, I actually understood the cost benefit of it. क्योंकि हम पूरा साल अगर if you are doing the same thing, for me it was like कि I've put everything, और
Mm-hmm.
बहुत ज्यादा monotonous हो रहा था. Everything was like it wasn't giving me the kind of kick that we think. कि starting में it looks great and I was doing good कि अच्छी बात है, I have a routine and I'm following everything. But now it became like कि अब क्या करूँ मैं? Everything I've done in my capacity. So that was it. And even after no, after failing prelims, 3-4 months मैंने सोचा कि I should study, but
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't. सो मतलब मैं पढ़ती तो थी बट वो जिस हिसाब से कंसंट्रेशन होना चाहिए वो तो नहीं हो पाता था. सो आई अंडरस्टूड कि दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट विल गो,
Mm-hmm.
क्योंकि पेरेंट्स थिंक दैट यू थिंक यू
Correct.
आर स्टडिंग, बट योर इंटरनल कंपस नोज दैट यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग. मतलब वो एक
Correct.
भ्रम वाली बात हो गई कि आई एम स्टडिंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ सोसाइटी बट ऑनेस्टली आई
Mm-hmm.
एम नॉट स्टडिंग. तो वो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा हिट हुआ कि मैं ये क्या कर रही हूँ एक दो दो 3 महीने. Then I thought कि नहीं, अब तो I have to pivot at any cost. I will. Then I got to know about rebounds and I convinced my parents also. They were like you should sit for another attempt and everything. So I was like it's better कि अगर मन बिना मतलब half hearted तो नहीं करना चाहिए कुछ भी if you're not
Correct.
interested. So then I thought कि I should make up my mind. I should pivot to this journey. If at all अगर कभी लगा I can sit for another attempts. But जो भी करना चाहिए, I think it should be full hearted. That is what
Right.
I thought. And then when
Yeah,
I
I would
pivoted,
agree to
I was
that.
like,
Absolutely. I think
yes,
it's
sir.
important for everyone to be honest to themselves more than anything
Yes,
else
sir. That is
and to
true.
be open to experiences, right?
Yes,
Not
sir.
limit to, certain things for a really long period of time if they're not yielding output. Great. So, Sakshi, you have a BSc in computer science, right?
Yes, sir.
At any point of time, did you feel that this degree is a strength or a limitation to various things you have done after your college, be it UPSC, be it rebounds, now be it, getting into this role. What are some of the strengths you felt the degree provided, which people do not usually associate with? People usually say, okay, if I'm an engineer, especially from a computer science background, uh, I should maybe go for a data science. I should go for a software engineering. What am I doing with, a non-profit or in public policy?
Sir, I think when I was in college, I used to think the same. Ki degree is of no use because I have to prepare for UPSC, so I'll prepare for
Acha.
UPSC, college, SAA. But gradually, I've understood that it is not how I think. कि बिकॉज जब मैंने समझा उसके बारे में रियलाइज दैट इट इज अ वास्ट फील्ड तो जो भी हमने ग्रेजुएशन में किया होता है इट हैज द इम्पोर्टेंस वी नेग्लेक्ट और वी इग्नोर इट दैट इज आर माइंड बट ऐसा नहीं होता इट हैज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ वेरी गुड insights. So what I did was जैसे ही I understood that I mean I have to pivot to UPSC. I've realized कि ऐसे roles I should think अगर मुझे public role में ही जाना है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि public sector role are purely field based. They have some sort of technicalities also. They
Of
require
course.
tech savvy individuals and professionals. So I should approach through which is curated for my capabilities. तो अगर मुझे public sector में जाना है so I should go for public sector along with अगर मेरी degree भी use हो रही है so it would be very better. So that is how I've understood कि degree has a very important role. जो भी है अगर if I would have taken let us say mathematics or something like that, maybe I wouldn't have landed to this opportunity. So it has a importance अगर आप उसको सही से if you know how you can use it because there are so many roles. So कभी कभी when I used to look at other opportunities, I used to think कि यार मेरे लिए तो नहीं है because I don't have like economics background or something like that. तो अगर कोई economics background का है so they should play on their strengths कि यार मतलब it is more helpful और better भी होता है to get hired easily.
Absolutely agree. I
That
think
is
this is
what
a
I've
key word.
understood.
Play on your strengths.
Yes, sir.
That is why I keep talking about repeating multiple times. My career, people will see from a top-down view, they will see I've done multiple things, but I've
Yes, sir.
played on my strengths.
Yes, that
And
is true.
you absolutely nailed it when you say play on your strengths. If you
Yes,
know
sir.
your strengths, nothing like that, you will have an absolutely amazing career. Great,
Yes.
Sakshi. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, for sharing your insights. And I wish you all the very best